Hi and welcome. I'm trying to learn space science today. What if a large asteroid hit Earth? And after we've done that, we're going to do short impingement training. But if you participate in the short impingement training, that's the risk. Now, what if a large asteroid hits the Earth? An asteroid big enough to do major damage hits Earth once around every 2,000 years. So every 2,000 years on average, an asteroid which does actually damage to the Earth hits every 2,000 years. So every 2,000 years. The asteroid Eros orbit brings it close to Earth. In 2012, it was just about 26 million kilometers away. So first of all, 26 million kilometers is still far away. And the second thing is, now in 2012, there was an asteroid with the name Eros. And that Eros has an orbit which goes quite close around of Earth. And in 2012, it was quite close, 26 million kilometers was it, but still. This is about 70 times further than the Moon. So the Moon is quite far away, and 70 times that far away was this Eros, an asteroid which orbits. Eros has a 5% chance of hitting Earth in the next 1 million years. So they are saying that this Eros, this asteroid, has actually a chance that it could happen, possibly, that Eros hits the Earth. 5%, so it's not that high, but that is possible. But just in the next 1 million years. So probably not in the next 100,000, 10,000 years. Okay, what if a large asteroid hits the Earth? No, it's not written that much here. But yes, it can when happens damage. And every 2,000 years on average, there is the impact of an asteroid, of a larger one. And there is a larger one called Eros. 2012, it was quite close, just 26 million kilometers away, which is 70 times the distance to the Moon from the Earth. And there's a 5% chance that this Eros asteroid might hit the Earth in the next 1 million years. But who says we can't in the next 1 million years build something to protect the Earth from that asteroid if it actually happens? A huge nest or something. Okay, so the basic information, it happens on average every 2,000 years that a larger one hits, but a really bigger one is not that often. There is the Eros, which possibly could hit in the next 1 million years, but we have basically quite some time to prepare, can we read from that, and even then it's just 5% and it's not to expect in the next 100,000, 10,000 years. Now that was what if a large asteroid hits the Earth. If you're here for space science, then go directly to the next video. We will do here now the short impingement training. If you participate in the short impingement training, put in states, and we're doing forward shoulder circles. We're going back, up, and front, and down. Now backwards. One last time. And now long arms, strong fists, and go as far back as you can. As high up as possible. In front, and down. Back, up, in front, and down. And now, up, back, down, front, up, back, down. Legs wide apart, into the knees, hinge forward with a straight back, let the arms hang, and pinch the scapulas together. Make fists, lift the arms up, and still pinch the scapulas together. Lift the arms down, shoulders, and the second round. Pinch the scapulas together. Make fists, and lift the arms up, and still pinch the scapulas together. Lift the arms down, the scapulas. A similar exercise into the knees, hinge forward with a round back, let the arms sink, make fists, turn the arms to the inside, lift the arms high up and bring them together. Straighten up, bring the shoulders down, together. Arms high up and together. Shoulders down, together. And release. And the second time. Into the knees. Forward with a round back. The arms hang, make fists. And the arms, fists to the inside. High up and together. Straighten up. And the shoulders down and together. And release. Next exercise, just lift the arms up. And lift them down again. Again up. And down. And on the arms to the side. And the front. And the back. And now we work with the quarter stable stance, long arms and fists, shoulders down together, turn the arms to the inside. Arms to the outside, shoulders still down and together. Arms to the inside, shoulders down and together. Arms to the outside, shoulders down and together. Arms at the side, up to the front, turn the arms to the front, shoulders down and together. Arms back, shoulders up and in front. And arms in front, shoulders down together. And arms back, shoulders up and in front. And release. And now we do a shrug, the arms up. Shrug, shoulders up and release on down. Again, the arms up. Shrug, shoulders up and all down. And another time. Arms up, shoulders up and all down. And repeat the curl, arms together, down into the outside and together again. That was the last time. And now sometime. You can also use a towel or t-shirt or take it small, with a long arm out, let it fall, try to catch it again. And release. And stretching. One arm in front, shoulders back, down, pull your arm in, have flat fingers, try to relax the arm, go with back of shoulder, and turn the palm a little up to the sky. And the other arm. Front, shoulders back, down, pull the arm in, have flat fingers, try to relax the arm, go with back of the shoulder, and turn the palm up to the sky. And make the shoulder bend. I thank you very much, and until next time.